In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice reduce on Speechify. To get started, sign into your account on Speechify through the web app. Once you're logged in, open any document or web page from your library that you want Speechify to read aloud. This can be anything you've already saved and are ready to listen to. After your content is open, look at the playback controls bar. This is where you'll find the main listening options, including the setting that controls how fast the voice reads. Find the speed button. In most cases, it will show your current playback rate as a multiplier, such as 1x or 2x. That number simply tells you how quickly the voice is reading compared to normal speed. Go ahead and click the speed button to open the speed selection panel. This is where you can make adjustments to slow the voice down. If the current reading pace feels too fast, reducing the speed can make the audio easier to follow, especially when listening to dense information, long articles, or anything that requires more focus. Once the panel appears, drag the slider to the left to lower the playback speed. On some versions, you may also see a minus button that lets you decrease the speed step by step. Use either option to bring the voice down to a rate that feels comfortable for you. As you adjust it, listen for a pace that sounds clear and natural. A slightly slower speed can improve comprehension and make it easier to catch details without needing to replay sections. If needed, make small changes until it feels just right for your listening style. That's all it takes to reduce the voice speed on Speechify and create a smoother, more comfortable listening experience.